Children, in the previous session, we learned what a relation is, how it is a subset of Cartesian product from one set to other set, then what will be domain, range and codomain of a relation. Let us understand it better through some of the questions today. So, I am taking some questions from exercise 2.2. First one is about a set A which consists of natural numbers from 1 to 14. And the relation is defined on the set A. That means the first set is also A, second set is also A. So relation is to be defined from A to A. That means relation R is a subset of A cross A. And this is how it is defined. What all pairs of A cross A will be included in the relation? We will have pairs like X comma Y such that they satisfy this equation. 3 times X minus Y should be equal to 0. And both X and Y are the numbers or elements of the given set A. So let us see what all these pairs can be. If we start assigning values to X and see what will be the corresponding value of Y, then you will find if X is 1, then Y comes out to be 3. On solving this, if you simplify this equation, this is same as Y is equal to thrice of X. So if X is 1, Y will be 3. If X is 2, Y will be 6. If X is 3, Y will be 9. If X is 4, in that case, Y becomes 12. Now, can we replace X by 5? The moment we replace X by 5, Y comes out to be 15. But 15 is not part of the given set. And it is already mentioned X and Y both will be from the set A. So, we cannot assign the value 5 to X, and not even the other numbers from set A can be assigned to X. We can assign only 4 values to X and get the corresponding values of Y such that they both are from the given set A. So the set relation is defined. Now we will see what will be the domain, range and codomain of this relation. As discussed in previous session, if we have to define domain of a relation, and you know all possible pairs which are in the set relation, then the set which will contain the first elements of these pairs like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this set which contains all the first elements of the given ordered pairs, that will be the domain. In the same way, range consists of all the second elements of the pair in the relation. So these are the 4 values for Y, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So set containing these 4 numbers is the range. Then comes codomain of R. As defined, codomain is the entire second set of which is defined from where mapping is taking place from one set to another, or relation is getting defined from one set to another. If you see here, the relation is defined from set A to set A. So elements of A are related to the elements of A. So our second set is also the set A only. So the codomain of R will be the entire second set, which will include all the natural numbers from 1 to 14. So either we can write this or we can simply write it as set A. So this is codomain of R.